Welcome to this guided meditation. Before we begin, find a comfortable space where you can fully relax. Please ensure that you are in a safe environment and not engaged in any activities that require your attention, such as driving. Throughout this meditation, there will be a moment of silence. Embrace this pause as an opportunity to tune into the wisdom of your soul and receive any messages meant for you. Create boundaries for yourself, allowing this time to be sacred and personal. Now, take a deep breath and let go of the outside world. Your journey within is about to unfold. Hello and welcome to today's guided meditation. As we learn to alchemize all that is living within us now into more of what we desire, I invite you to settle in to this potent activation. Beginning to breathe in through your nose as you expand your belly and out through your nose as you deflate your belly. Really allowing yourself to sink in to the energy of the present moment, here, now, with all that is available to you. As you continue to breathe in and out, envisioning yourself walking down a beautiful forest path. Thick trees to one side and a wide open meadow on the other. The moon shining down on you. A cascade of a beautiful landscape as the sun sets and the moonlight becomes the glimmer of hope in the darkness. As you walk down this path, a beautiful white owl glides in front of you, signaling to you that you are surrounded and supported in all that you do. And as you walk down this path, excited to get to your destination, a beautiful red energy swirls around you, grounding you into the earth, connecting you to the Earth Mother. As you sink into the feelings of safety, being nurtured, allowing yourself to simply fall into the unknown, being held by it all. Continuing to walk, a majestic orange swirls through your energy field, and you fill with the most amazing life force energy you've ever felt. Warm like honey, this orange energy drips through your system, awakening to your divine feminine within as you surrender, allowing your creative and sensual energy to fuel the flame of your power center as an electric yellow dances through you, activating and igniting your third chakra, your center of power, the divine masculine's action-oriented energy, Moving forward from this powerful place, you have the confidence and drive, the will to create, to take aligned action as the divine feminine's nurturing energy fuels your entire energetic system. And this fire burns brightly, melting open your heart as a powerful green energy moves through you, creating spirals and ripples within your heart space, expanding you into oneness with all as you align with the frequency of love, the energy from which you came, the energy at the core of all that you are, vibrating from head to toe as a bright blue energy pours over you, allowing your freedom of authentic expression to amplify as you speak the truth of your soul and come into alignment with your heart's desires, leading with integrity and faith. You feel a deep knowing within, a power, being led by the truth in all that you do, aligned with love, in your power, surrendered, grounded, as an indigo energy drapes over you. All clear senses coming fully online as your universal knowing is crystal clear, and with a powerful blast of energy, a bright violet shining down through your crown, your divinity fully remembered, your universal knowing open and expanded, living from your soul essence aligned with the frequency of love in your power, gracefully surrendered, grounded into the earth. A white light shining down through your crown, connecting you into the ground, fully aligned. All chakras open and spinning as you find yourself on the forest path, feeling more powerful, lighter, more ethereal than ever before, following the gliding white owl as he leads you on your way. Continuing to walk, you smell a fire burning brightly. You see glimmers of orange and yellow at the corner of your eye, and as you look over, a huge bonfire in the center of the meadow. The moon now fully shining over the landscape as you see the silhouette of trees lining the edge of the meadow. You walk over to this fire. You feel a pull. And as you breathe in the flames, 12 powerful guides, feminine and masculine in nature, surround you. They are here today to activate your inner alchemy, to amplify your ability to create with all the energy present. As they guide you through this ritual and share a powerful message, allow yourself to tune in to this divine wisdom. As you approach the fire, they circle around you, beginning to dance and howl in your direction. Your master guide steps forward, explaining to you that this fire represents the fire within, the fire created in your third chakra that allows you to alchemize all heavy energies into powerful life force energy that are then sent to your space of creation and grounded into the earth, where they bloom into masterpieces of your heart's desire. You have an opportunity today to throw into this big fire all thought patterns, feelings, and beliefs that are no longer serving you. Any heavy energies or stories that have been on repeat. As you throw them into this fire, you also call back your divine will. Any energy you have invested into these experiences, thought patterns, and emotions will be sent back to your system purified, vibrating at the frequency of love, and you will be able to transform them into more of what you want and crave. As you stand in front of the fire, allow yourself to release all that no longer serves you. And as you do, listen to the powerful message of your guides and guardians present here today. The time now is yours. As this powerful message comes to an end, stepping back from the fire, having fully released all that no longer serves you, you watch as the fire turns into a bright burning ball of fiery flames and energy. This ball has deep pressure as it spins and spins, expanding more and more, alchemizing all that you have given it. And as it pulsates before your eyes, it explodes into 1,000 pieces, and you see a phoenix fly out from the flame, over the moon, through the clouds, representing your own dreams and desires soaring into the cosmos to be created, materializing in your current reality. As you bring your focus back to where the flame once burned bright, you notice tiny little flames still flickering under the moonlight. Your master guide grabs these flames with his bare hands, forming them into a ball. As he steps in front of you, he explains that as you breathe this flame into your system, your own center of power, your alchemic energy center will be amplified, and a deep remembering for this process will be ingrained into your system, allowing you to create with even the most harsh, heavy energies. As you open yourself to receive this flame, your guide inserts it into your third chakra, and you feel an expanded, powerful energy. A powerful white rain falls upon you, clearing your energy field of all energy that doesn't belong to you. As you breathe in this cleansing energy, you feel the entirety of your divine will in your system, fully alive and awakened, your energy bank full to the top, overflowing with life force energy. You thank your guides here today for their wisdom, for their knowledge, and for this powerful activation, knowing that as you return to your physical reality and you intentionally invest your energy into your desires, you will create with ease. Life will become your closest ally, knowing that whatever is served to you can be alchemized into all that you desire. Standing tall as you see each of your guides and guardians jump into the flame and disappear, flying over the moon. Left alone on this meadow with nothing but your owl friend fluttering atop you. As he soars in the direction from which you came, you feel a smile form across your face, excitement and gratitude for all that was activated within you today, a lightness in your step as you float back to the forest path. Every breath you take now, bringing you back into your current reality, stepping fully into your physical body as you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, wiggling your fingers and toes, coming back into the present moment, setting the intention that you will carry this knowing within you today and all days, as you become a master of the alchemic process, standing in faith and trust for yourself and source. Today's journey is complete. Namaste.